Bulla vinaka, Yandra vinaka, everybody. Mambula tani vikem do, may vitsi, kim nandudo toko na tumaniro YouTube channel. Beautiful Saturday morning here. Last week was Easter. And yeah, so today is the second day we are building the house, our new house. You would see on the last vlog like where the original owner left off with this house building, and then we bought the house, and then we continued before Easter, and then now it's the second day, so day 2 of building our house. Let's go, Toso boys. Welcome to day 2 of our working in the house. So Connie is just taking all the, what you call that, foam. So this was our delivery yesterday.
Papa, können wir das hier auch mit dem Kran machen? Den? Oder nicht?
We have the cement here. Sand. Here. Yeah. Let's go. Katsi?
No, some more there.
Beautiful day of working. Yeah. Good, see, it's working. Just trying to take this machine. Smaller. Oh. Okay guys, now next job, we are just taking all of this into the garage. 25 kilos.
War da noch eine Kübel in der Leere?
So einen großen meinst du?
Ja.
Let's go. No work, no pain. No pain, no gain. Katsi. Ini sana salah untung. go. Another round.
Und wenn die nass geworden sind, nicht davon, unter die andere. Also die extra.
A little bit wet, you should not put it together, they have to dry.
Yes. Ken? Hey, balance, balance, balance.
I'm stuck.
Go, go, go. 1, 2, 3. Slow driver, man. Fast driver. Go, driver, go. Catch it. Leave it. I do.
Kati, wat kan doen?
You just push. Want a break? Oh, sakit na pinak. Second pellet. Let's go. Guys, I think in Fiji, the cement is it 40 kilos? Here in Germany it's 25 kilos. Okay?
Ja. Gut, jetzt ein Teil.
Then
Teil.
Eine ganz kleine. Ja.
okay, so now the cement is ready here. Now it's Frühstück time. 9:20.
Tisch müssen wir das auch noch besorgen
Ja.
und was machen. Und man kann noch ein
So now we are having breakfast.
Heute würde ich sagen, geht.
One eye.
Dienst oder was?
Nee.
Egg sandwich.
Nee, extra groß.
Achso, ja, ich habe einen anderen Sandwich mit.
That's some energy. Big job is coming. Normally I don't eat cake. Normally I don't eat cake.
That's biscuit.
It's cake.
Und hier müssen die auch auf, ne? Die Wände.
Wir werden anzeichnen
Like
und dann.
Lene.
So, aber jetzt. So. Man kann weiter, einer kann weiter Zement fahren.
Ja.
Das kann. Hier, das war so ein bisschen dick.
Was ist dir denn lieber? Brauchst du hier viel Kraft oder nur einen Handlanger? Okay. Then what can we do the cement?
Eh?
Or you can clean the I do the cement.
No.
Our next house you will do alone.
Looky, looky. So this is what I have to do.
So ist das gut.
Yeah, okay. So I have to try now.
Was? Und hier?
This is what I was doing, guys. Just throw it on the wall. Can't see. So now I have to mix it again. Okay, guys. Now I'm back on the cement. Connie was doing this. I told her to like take a rest, do my job, which I was doing, and for me to do this, and then again we can switch later. Okay, so work smart, don't work hard. No pain, no gain. Toso bici toso. And guys, I've been watching the replay from the Ndrua game against the Western Force. Man, it's just amazing how that Ndrua played. So now my wife will do the mixing. Why?
But how does it work?
That side too.
No, there's nothing.
Take it out, spin
Can you hold
the
this?
power.
Can you hold this? Okay.
Just mix it. Watch out the cable.
Okay.
Wait up to give you some water.
But how? I cannot understand. Are you just pressing the button?
Can you press the circle thing to on inside? Slowly, 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 slowly. Wait. Move away. Just hold it there. Don't be afraid. Right down, right down. Yeah, on the side. Good.
Like mixing whipping cream.
Yes.
Okay, water.
She's ordering me to put some water.
So guys, it's like mixing whipping cream. Okay, enough. Like I'm baking a cake.
Yeah.
I just put here the instead
Now
of
you're
the
baking the
layers,
cake
I
for the
do the
house.
stone.
On the side. Torso, boys, torso.
Ja, aber ich meine, sie hat ja scheinbar nicht nur bei sich gemacht, sondern auch bei anderen.
So now we have to cut the cement. Eine metal. Looks like there's a rod there.
Immer nach diesem
Ja,
Strich.
Like the line, ja?
alles gut. Rosa. Hallo. Hier ist ein bisschen ja, ein bisschen. Oh. So guys, we have to be careful. This is soft stone and the real cement is inside, so it will damage the blade of the saw. So I'm trying to crack out the real cement and then use the blade again there, like this one, and use it there. So we'll already open one here. We have to take it down to this level so that the window can come here. Yes, we did it. Super. Now we're left with this one. So same procedure here. Do it here, crack the cement out first. Yeah, cement. and then use the saw to go in. Let's go. Yeah, it's free now. Just have to take it out. Just be careful. This is, I know it's soft, but it's heavy. Holy moly! Alright. And this one too is free. Take this out also. I think this one is also free. Cut this part. Okay guys, now I'm just taking a break. Oh, malaking away. It's not easy job, man. It's hard, but if you want a good looking house, then you have to work hard. Okay, see what I've done? I opened the whole wall, so all the stones are here. But I have to go down some more. So here, I have to go to floor level, ground level, so I have to cut this again. And also here, my mark was a little bit crooked. But it's okay, we can patch this out. We can cut that out. Yeah, so far so good. So after that, we'll jump to this wall here on the roadside. Alright, let's go. Tosso boys. Please don't forget to, if you have reached this far, smash that subscribe button. It would be a great, useful benefit to us. Please, guys, subscribe, like, share. Tosso boys. Yeah, guys. Now we are just left with this. The floor. Don't pull it right back here, so just use this part, because otherwise you'll break the saw. So now Connie is helping me, guys.
Hey, but there is something.
Give us started for you.
Wait.
I start. So here, start from here, right. And then go. Yeah. When it's stuck, pull it up a little bit. This girl.
She has matched the power, huh?
Yeah. Go. You will feel the difference there. Can you feel it? It's like touching. Okay, now use the hammer, take it out. Use the hammer. So hammer it from the here on the line.
But this you already did, yeah.
Go, hammer it from the line. That side. Not only one place, everywhere. Okay, this side, hammer it this side. Not too hard, you will break a stone. See, now it's shaking. Set. Now you can cut here.
What do you mean with cut?
Like use the saw again. Go, Tamani, go.
1, 2, 3.
So guys, we are here. We already cleared that part. So now my beautiful wife is just trying to take out the cover. Did Papa say you have to damage it?
I don't know.
Then why are you damaging it?
Du liegst super inside.
Yeah. Deeper. What's his name? Our neighbor.
Dies
What this girl? This girl is super strong. Okay. Only 1, 2, and the bottom layer.
Can we hit it here? Oder nein? Oh, we have
Wait, I clear this first. Yeah. Katsi. Toso chamani toso. What? Here. Who's that?
There's our electrical.
Go. Yeah. Man, tomorrow I should bring another water. Ellie. Woo.
I still have a water bottle in.
We still have a 같이. hold it bottom of the plastic.
How is my
Guys, it's finished. Like, this was my wife's idea to open this, to make the windows from ceiling to the floor. So one window, two window, door, close that window, small window there on the corner. Yeah. So now the electricians are here. Okay, let's go. So now I have to close this window.
auch zumauern.
48, 48. Or 38? Yeah. 48 or 49? This is okay. Was? Da, Fuß. So we're gonna close these guys so that Wednesday the guy who's doing the walls will come. So they have to put some foam here, styrofoam, and then bricks on the side. Right. Guys, we are here at Mama Papi's house. We are here for lunch.
Hallo. Komm rein.
Look at the sauces. Dirty. Let's go.
Ja. Bestimmt sehr lecker. Ja.
Pasta and salad.
So, wir machen auch gleich wieder irgendeinen Schmarrn oder so.
Katsi wakandua. Guys, look at the cake which Connie baked yesterday. So this is for afternoon cafe break. Afternoon coffee break. We'll enjoy this beautiful cake. What's the name of the cake?
Butterkeks.
Oder was hast du vor? Wem gehört diese Kippe?
Okay, now we finish lunch. We have to go. Okay, our coffee here is ready. This is Connie's. This is Papa's. This is mine. Right for danger. Right, let's go back to Sweet City, to the new Taimodia Drive. Tosso boys. Okay guys, we are back at the new Taimodia Drive. So this is the next job. Papa is just finishing the wall, like cover the, close the window.
Mach erstmal hier diese Seite hier.
Aber die Sache ist, die
So I have to paint the walls here, like to stain the bottom. Okay, let's go. Sideways. Yes. Good. That's what I mean by dripping.
Stinky.
So Connie will be doing it. All right, I'll come back and check. Tschüssi. Little bit of water. Let's go.
Kleine?
Kleiner?
Ja.
Okay.
Weißt du, der da? Der da.
Here?
Der. Ja.
It's better. Hey, what's das? Fail. Also, you want to paint my shoes? So check what this girl has done. From here, because we are still working, so look at the window which we covered. Okay, tosso boys. Okay guys, let's watulewa manda here. How's this girl doing? Man. Entschuldigen Sie, wo arbeiten Sie? Du bist professional.
Ja. Bauunternehmen Klasse.
You're so professional. Who taught you this?
My dad.
Oi. Kati wakando. Memore. So guys, if you want to hire this lady,
No, I'm not coming.
call her.
Yeah. If you want to buy cheese, call me.
How's this girl doing? How are you doing?
But I don't like this job.
Are you feeling ickly from this job?
No, but boring.
Should sing. Sing a song while you're working. Twinkle, twinkle, little star.
Nur sein Grab.
It's time for water break. What a break, what a break.
It's like making cake, like naked cake.
Paniwala. Paniwala. Are you with Paniwala?
It's like I'm putting the cream on the cake. Hoe? Wieso?
Man, nice.
Wofür ich mich entscheide? Ja, was würdest du denn machen?
Finally, guys, we've closed it. The windows on our living room. So now we'll just have to do the filling and then jump on to the next job. Bunti, it's like the kids are playing on the sand. You know, you're just enjoying.
I'm not enjoying. This is the baddest job I have done today. Give me the 25 kg bags. I will carry that wherever you want.
Yeah. This girl just too much bullshit. Oh, I super love that
This job?
to do it.
Yeah, then here, come.
If I said
Yeah.
I quit again. Okay, guys, now we have to do another mix. Half bag. So level of water. Yeah. Say that's okay. This is half bag. Guys, when you're using the machines, don't be afraid. Just follow the rules and smack it. The power is not working. The other side. Then just rinse it. Let's go. Yeah.
The next, we have to make it black again, and the other person has to do this thing, which I did. Shall I do that? Can we have coffee first?
Coffee time.
Danke dir, Vater, für die Speise. Bitte nicht singen.
Hey Manny,
Müde? Ja, ne?
Sehr müde. Okay, Kaffee. Prost.
Prost.
Cheers. For a long time then I drink coffee. We have a plate. So Papa's first.
Was mit Vale unterwegs?
My wife baked
Wer ist denn
yesterday.
von passen?
Oh ja.
Ich esse mal in den Links.
Okay. Kann.
Normalerweise fahren wir nicht mit Fahrrad. Mit dem Hund? Ist der Hund im Fahrradanhänger?
Ja, mit dem macht der Kopfstand.
With apple inside. Yeah, apple inside.
Rhabarber, but I don't know what it is in English. Rhabarber. It's something I think you cannot buy it.
Malaka. Okay guys, now I'm doing a new job. To here to do the corners properly. Okay guys, so this is the look after I put this type of cement, like grease cement, over the grease. So yeah, it was not easy. It looks easy, but yeah. So this is the look, how it is right now. So this is the area which I did. And this is what Connie did. Yeah. So now we are just cleaning up and ready to go back home. Look at the wall which we covered today. Cuts here. And also we'll close this main door, bedroom door, and then we'll open this again, this window, put it down so that it's the same with the other windows there. Yes. And here what Papa was doing, so this is a borehole, like we have to pump water from underground. So he went to the shop to get another tool which he needed. Yes. So that is it for today. Okay, time to clean up. Okay, tools down. just cleaning the workplace. This is our neighbor's house, they are also building it. So our window will be like this, bedroom window. Yes, so Papa is just turning off all the power from the main switchboard. And here, oh, look at what Connie did today, guys. Here, all these black things here. She painted it, and then I will use that cement. What's called that? Cement paint later, next week. So boys,
yeah, we just finished, so you can see it's almost dark and we are going home now. So day 2 from 365 is done. No, I don't know how many.
Guys, we are finished from here. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe if you enjoy our vlog. And some of you would be surprised that we've been uploading cooking vlogs, singing vlog. That's part of our vlog, guys. So it's Connie and Pate, 3 T's, which stands for travel, taste, and tunes. Travel is traveling, taste, cooking and baking, and tune is singing. So that's the main reason behind it. Yeah, so we have to say goodbye from here. Ni samothe na valeu. Salolomoteni vanuni kena masu. See you on day 3 of building our house. Toso boys, God bless you all.